Sometimes over the lifetime of a window, the weather stripping can become damaged. It is not necessary to replace the whole sash of the window. Today we are going to go through the steps on replacing weather stripping and bulb seal. You're going to need the following tools and parts: an awl or pick, a flathead screwdriver, snips, and the correct weather stripping or bulb. Sunrise Windows stocks most of the weather stripping we have used over the years, and we ask that you make a warranty claim through your Sunrise dealer. If possible, place the part or section you're working with on a flat, sturdy surface. Take your pick or awl and work the damaged weather stripping out of the rail, holding it in place. Once you have the weather stripping out, make sure to clear the rail of any debris. Take your replacement weather stripping and cut one side at a 45-degree angle. Place one half of the fin into the rail, and using your flathead screwdriver, push down on the opposite fin and pull along the rail. This will push the fin into the rail and lock the weather stripping into the rail. Before you get to the end, cut the end of the weather stripping at 45 degrees and finish placing your new weather stripping. Follow this same procedure for bulb seal. We hope this video helped, but if you have any additional questions, please feel free to contact your dealer or contact us